Citroen C2 VTR, a bold little one with character. Early 2000s, Citroen decided that a compact hatchback didn't have to be a boring city car. Thus, the C2 was born, a car with a bold design and the ambitions of a true sports car. But among the entire lineup, one stands apart, the Citroen C2 VTR. Look at it, the short wheelbase, the flared wheel arches, and that unique break in the window line. The C2 VTR wasn't trying to be a family car. It was pure egotism. 3 doors, minimal rear legroom, and maximum road presence. It looked like a concept car accidentally released onto the streets. But the VTR wasn't just about looks. Under the hood was a 1.6-liter engine. Sure, it wasn't the most powerful car in its class, but the secret lay in its handling. Tight suspension, sharp steering, and a willingness to dive into any corner. It was the ultimate road-legal go-kart, delivering a wealth of excitement at legal speeds. Of course, its sense-of-drive automated manual transmission was often the butt of jokes, but it was part of that era of experimentation. The C2 VTR became an important step in the brand's rally history and a favorite of enthusiasts who know that you don't need 300 horsepower to enjoy driving pleasure. The Citroen C2 VTR is a mood car. Small, bold, and quintessentially French. Finding a working example today is a real stroke of luck, but those who have owned one know, cars like this are no longer made. Subscribe and like more videos on